In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet in the round with stripe color work and make your seam look just a little bit nicer. Okay, so I've created this sample piece. So this is how generally stripes are done. You just finish the row with the color you were using and then pull up the next color. Pull it through and then start going. But you can see that it doesn't look very nice when you join it that way. And so I found a tip that works for me. And what you do is you way back here when you're finishing your very last stitch, this is when you want to change. So you have the 2 loops on your hook. This is the 2 loops from the single crochet. If you're doing a half double crochet or a double crochet, you're going to have different amount of loops on your hook. What you want to do is pull the very last loop that you would pull through to finish the stitch. So I have the 2 loops on my hook, and this is when I'm going to change colors. I'm going to grab my next color and I'm going to finish that stitch with the next color. It's going to kind of loosen up on you, so you got to kind of keep it reined in and pulled in. And then that is how I'm going to finish my round. So I'm going to join with a slip stitch to finish it off. And then when you work all the way around, that's going to look much more seamless. So I'm going to work it all the way around so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Okay, so that finishes the round, and then you can see that that looks much nicer than this one because it just joins very seamlessly. And so I've made it to my last stitch, and if I'm going to do 1 color per row, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull out that last loop, finish with the next color, and then join. So this is the more seamless way, and this is the not seamless way. So you can really see the color change there. But by pulling through that last loop, then it just makes it look like you're beginning the row at the right place. So that is how to have a little more seamless look when you are doing stripes in the round.